Just a quick heads up, if you sign up for Surfshark using the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel so that I can keep making helpful videos. I really appreciate it. Before we continue, I want to kindly remind you, if you are following this tutorial, please make sure to use my special link to get started. You can find it right below this video, in the description, in the pinned comment, or you can simply scan the QR code you see on your screen. If you are not familiar with how QR codes work, don't worry. I've made a short video right here on this channel showing you exactly how to download and use a QR scanner on your phone. Just look for it in this channel and you'll see how to install it and use it on your phone. By using my link, you not only get access to the official website and often benefit from exclusive discounts or even deals, because these discounts and deals will make you to pay at a reduced price. But you also help support this channel so that I can keep creating more clear, practical tutorials like this one, all at no extra cost to you. So let us go ahead and follow together step by step. I will show you exactly how you go from that link all the way to the download page, whether you are using a phone or a computer. We are now in the case where you are now on my page, where you are watching my video on your phone. We want now to go straight from the link to the download page. As you can see there, that's my channel. You just click on more. As you click on more, you will now see the link that is displayed here, where you are seeing disclaimer where they say try Surfshark. As you just click on that link, it will take you right away now to the official website of Surfshark. They say, do you want to leave YouTube? You say yes. You click on leave, so they should take you now to the website of Surfshark, where we are going to download it for our trial period. You just be patient a bit as it is loading the website of Surfshark. That is it, that is loading, leaving from YouTube, so that we can leave from the root link to the official website of Surfshark. That's it loading. Here now, the focus should be at the three lines you see just near Surfshark, the way they say get Surfshark. You click on those three lines, please. Those three lines up there should be your focus. When you click on it, as you see, it will take you to the download page. You click on download. The focus should be on download. You click on download. And then it will ask you what you want to do. You click now where they say download app. You click on download app so that you can download Surfshark on your phone. And here now, if you scroll, it will ask you what you want. Is it to download for Windows? No, on our phone. Download for Mac. If you have it, yes. If it's for Linux, you go there. But in our own case here, we are mostly focused on downloading on Android. My phone is an Android phone. Now these are the different apps. I will go back to download for Android APK. Any Android phone, you just select that one. If I click on it, it will now move me now from the link to the download page. Let's just be patient. You see it's loading now. Just be patient a bit so that it can take us to the download page. And that is it. We are now in Google Play. You click on install, and then it is going to install the Surfshark app on your phone. Fast and secure. You click on install, and then the installation process will begin for this other device, or as many devices as you have in the household. You just protect them with one account. The first account we created, we still use it here to connect this other one. Let's just be patient. as it is loading. Let's just be patient a bit as it is loading. As it that has begun, we just need to allow it to load. Okay, that's it, 100% already. 100% already. We just allow it to load. 100% installing already. We don't enable and open. Enable, open. Move on to the next stage of the installation process. Open. That's it, that is loading now. Just move on in the installation process. Accept now their terms. Click on accept. You need now to create an account or log in. Either way, since we have an account, we still use that very account. You just click on continue with Google. Since we use a Google account, no, we instead use a Yahoo Mail. Yes, we put that Yahoo Mail and the password to log in. And then here we just click on connect. And then here now, if you like, you can save your password, but you begin your 7-day free trial. You see that they just recognize the account that we used to log in. And then we are in. Here now, you just need now to connect, and you will select the nearest VPN. Just click on OK here. Allow it to connect so that you are ready to go. You are ready to begin using your Surfshark securely on this other device. So click on next. So you can allow Surfshark to run in the background and protect this other device. Click on allow so that Surfshark can run in the background. That's it now loading. You can see that now it's connected. You are safe.